Children, now I'll explain some definitions. These are important for third chapter simple equations. These definitions are not there in the max textbook, your textbook. So when I'm explaining, you listen carefully and understand. These are basic, children. First definition, numerical expressions. Here you see some examples are there. 2 plus 5, 6 into 3, 10 minus 4, 18 divided by 2, 4 plus 5, minus 5. Here in this, last example, 3 into 4, minus 6. Here, numbers are combined by plus sign. First example, 2 plus 5, number here 2, 5, both are combined by plus sign. 6, 3 combined by multiplication symbol into. 10, 4 combined by minus sign. 18 divided by 2 combined by division symbol. 4, 5, 7 combined by plus minus. Here the last example, 3 into 4 minus 6. 3, 4, 6 combined by multiplication symbol and minus symbol. So they are called numerical expressions. So numbers are combined by any operation, plus, minus, into, division, or any two operations, then they are called numerical expressions. Second definition, mathematical sentence. Which are called mathematical sentence? You take any two numerical expressions and combined by any one of the symbol. Any one of the symbol, less than, greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, or equal to, or not equal to. Another two more symbols are there. I will write here. Or not strictly, it is less than symbol. Here it is not strictly less than, not strictly less than. Another symbol, not strictly greater than. Any one of the symbol, then they are called mathematical sentences. Here in the first example, 2 plus 5 is less than 6 into 3. Here 2 plus 5, 6 into 3. Two expressions combined by less than symbol. 10 minus 4, second example you see 10 minus 4, 3 into 4 minus 6. Two expressions combined by greater than symbol. Third example, 2 plus 5 and 10 minus 4 combined by less than or equal to symbol. Here numerical expressions are combined by any one of the symbol, greater than or less than or equal to. You can use any one of the symbol, not strictly less than, not strictly greater than. Then they are called mathematical sentences. Now mathematical statement. Mathematical statement, here you can verify whether true or false. You see these three are mathematical sentences. Example for mathematical sentences, you can verify whether true or false. See left side answer and right side answer. Left hand side 2 plus 5, 7. Right side 6 into 3, 18. So left side 7, right side answer 18. Here you see in between left side and right side you are having less than symbol. 7 is less than 18. So it is 7 is less than 18, you know. 7 is smaller than 18. So it is true. It is true mathematical sentence. Second one you see 10 minus 4 greater than 3 into 4 minus 6. Find the left side answer. 10 minus 4, what is answer? 6. 10 minus 4, 6. Right side answer you see 3 into 4 minus 6. 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. In between two numerical expressions, here you are having greater than symbol. So here you see here 6 is strictly greater than 6. 6 is strictly greater than 6. Is it true, children? No, it is not true. 6 is equal to 6. But here 6 is strictly greater than 6. So it is false. False sentence. Now here you see 2 plus 5 less than or equal to 10 minus 4. What is left side answer? 2 plus 5, 7. Right side answer 10 minus 4 is 6. Here in between two expressions you are having less than or equal to symbol. Less than or equal to. 7 is less than or equal to 6. 7 is less than or equal to 6. Is it true? It is also false. 7 is greater than 6. No, strictly greater than 6. So it is also false sentence. So these sentences you can verify whether true or false. First one is true. Second one is false. Third one is false sentence. So mathematical sentences that can be verified whether true or false are called mathematical statements. Mathematical statements. So now you learn numerical expressions, mathematical sentence, next mathematical statements. These are important, children, important definition. Without knowing basic knowledge, you cannot understand. See the video again and again and learn. These definitions are not there in the Maths textbook. It is in old textbook, old Maths textbook.